All right, so we are taking what are supposed to be water balloons and dipping it in our dark chocolate and our orange chocolate candy melts so that we can get a beautiful design on there. And then we are taking our chocolate dipped balloons and placing them on some wax paper, just like so. All right, we have our last chocolate covered balloon and we're gonna pop these in the fridge for about 10 minutes. All right, while those are in the fridge, I'm gonna grab a large bowl, and I have here my chocolate instant pudding. They didn't have the small box, so I had to grab the big box, but we're not gonna use the entire box. We're gonna use about 3 ounces of it. I'm just gonna eyeball it. That looks perfect. And then I'm not using regular milk because I want this to be extra chocolate, so I grabbed some Nesquik chocolate milk. And we're gonna use this whole entire bottle of chocolate milk. Oh yeah. That's gonna be absolutely delicious. The most chocolate dessert ever. Now, if you don't like chocolate, you can use a different type of pudding and regular milk. Use whatever pudding you like, but I just think that the chocolate is so great for this spooky Halloween inspired dessert. I mean, what says Halloween more than chocolate? All right, that smells so good. Now, another reason why I use the chocolate milk is because we are gonna add some Cool Whip. So that will balance out all that chocolate that we added and make our pudding more into a mousse. So we're making a chocolate mousse here that's gonna go so great with those little chocolate pieces that we put in the fridge. So let's go ahead and put this whole 8-ounce container into our chocolate pudding, and we're gonna fold it in there. I switched over to a spatula so that we don't deflate our Cool Whip, but we still mix it together so that we get the perfect chocolate mousse texture. This is mixed perfectly, and it's gonna thicken up as we let it set, so we're just gonna pop that to the side. I'm gonna bring in my mini food processor. It's just a KitchenAid food processor. I'm gonna open that up, and I have here some original Oreos, and we're gonna plop a few of these right into our food processor so we can get some Oreo crumbs. I'm gonna add about 10 Oreos in here, just so we have a good amount for our little chocolate balloons that we have in the fridge and our pudding. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love anything Oreo flavored, so this is gonna be delicious. Now we're gonna make sure this is on chop, and we're gonna chop this up. Look how quick and easy that was. We have the most beautiful Oreo crumbs ready for our dessert. Let's go ahead and grab those balloons. All right, you guys, these have fully hardened, and now it's for the time for the fun part. Woo! And then these little balloons just kind of pull right out, just like that. All right, let's get the balloons out of each of these. These look absolutely adorable. I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer them off of our sheet pan and place them right here. All right, and I'm just gonna grab a cookie scoop, and we're gonna scoop our delicious chocolate mousse pudding into each of our bowls. We could probably give some hearty scoops right in there. Okay, now we're gonna bring in our Oreo crumbles, and we are just gonna sprinkle them right on top of our chocolate mousse. Ooh! Now that our dirt is in there, we're gonna make some tombstones out of Milanos. I just used some black writing icing to put RAP on there, and these are gonna be snug right into our mousse, just like so. I made 3 of them because I have something special for the other 3. But I just think these are such a cute way to decorate, you know, a cookie. So fun, and makes our little balloon chocolates extra festive. Now for those, you know, empty ones, we're gonna do a classic peep. I know. Some of you hate them, some of you love them, and that's why I'm mixing it up and doing both the Milanos and the peeps. But I think a little ghost in our graveyard is necessary. Okay, and we're gonna make them extra festive with just these little mini pumpkin candies. There we go. Our cute little graveyard is so fun, so festive. Kids will just think this is just so cute and easy to decorate themselves. All right, time to dig in. I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna get some of that mousse first. Oh my gosh, so good. And then you can eat your bowl. Enjoy.